Okay students, now the next topic is multiplication of decimals. So we know how to multiply the given number, isn't it? So multiplication of decimal is very simple, my dear students. So multiply, first we need to multiply the given numbers. If it is whole, it is decimal, then you just multiply the given numbers and then count the number of decimal places. If you are multiplying with a 5 with the 2.3, so just multiply without having decimal. That means 23 into 5, 2.3, it is 23. That is one point. So there is no need to put decimal, just multiply the number 23 into 5. Then here we have only one decimal point. Okay, so after we get the product, that is 23 into 5, then put a point, place a point to the one point, to the one place. Okay, so this is multiplication. It is very simple. Just multiply the given numbers and place the point by counting what? The number of decimal places. By counting number of decimal places. Okay, let's do another one example. Multiply 2.16 into 7. Okay, so just multiply the given numbers without decimal. That means 216 with 7. 216 with 7. There is no need to put the decimal point now. Just multiply and get the product. Okay, 216 into 7. Okay, so multiply 7 6 are 7 6 are. So remember the table. 7 6 are 42 and the carry is 4. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 4 is 11 and again we have the carry. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. So this is the product. Now count the number of decimals in each number. 7 has no decimal places but 2.16, that is 2 decimal places. So place 2, place a point before the 2 places. So this is the answer, 15.12. 15.12. So this is the multiplication of decimal. In this case we multiply a decimal with a whole number. A decimal with a whole number. Decimal with a whole number. Now we are going to multiply a decimal with a decimal number. Multiplication of decimal with a decimal number. And before that, if we multiply a decimal with 10, 100 or 1000. So here I am going to multiply with 100. Okay. So this is very simple, my dear students. Here if we multiply with 10, 100 or 0 or thousands, just count the number of zeros and place the decimal point after that. Here we have 100. So write 200, 2.16 into what? 100. So the answer is 216. How many zeros must be here? Then we multiply 2 zeros. Okay. So that means place 2 decimal point before the 2 numbers. So it becomes what? 216. Okay. It is very simple. That is, if we multiply a decimal with 10, 100 or 1000, place a decimal point to change the number of what? To place the digits after the number of places. How many zeros are there? There are 2 zeros. So we need to place a point after 2 places. So 2.16, 216. Answer is 216. 100 ആകുമ്പോഴേക്കും 2 സ്ഥാനം മാറ്റി കുത്തിടണം. So here 2 സ്ഥാനം എങ്ങോട്ട്? റൈറ്റിലോട്ട്. After, when multiplying before. So if there is no zeros and no tens or no hundreds. If there is 110, place zeros after the decimal point, after the digits. Okay, 100 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എത്ര സീറോസ് ഉണ്ട്? 2 zeros. There are 2 zeros. So place decimal point after 2 digits. So the answer become right 216. So these two places is gone. ഈ ഡിജിറ്റ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? പോകും. ഈ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? പോകും. 2 സ്ഥാനമായതുകൊണ്ട്. 3 സ്ഥാനമാണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? 216 and 0.1. That is point. അവിടെ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് ഉണ്ടാവും. Okay. So this is the multiplication with 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, I think you understand it. Okay, now let's do one more example with it. (2.32 into 1000). 2.32 into 1000. Pen is not working. Sorry, my dear students. 2.32. So write 232 1000. Okay, how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. Put 3 zeros. Okay, so how many places we have to shift? 2 places. So thus 2 zeros become gone. So the answer is 2320. So this is very simple when we multiply with 1000, 100 or 10. Just put the number of zeros and place the digits to the left. Or 1000 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 3 സ്ഥാനം മുമ്പിലോട്ടും 10 കൊണ്ട് 100 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 2 സ്ഥാനവും 10 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 1 സ്ഥാനവും മാറും. Okay, so that's it. So okay, so my dear students, so this is the multiplication with the decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, let's do one more example. 9.004 into 100. Okay, it is very simple, my dear students. Put the zeros. 9.004. There is no need to put decimal now. 9004. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. Now we need to place how many? We need to place a decimal by how many places? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Point the decimal here. Okay, so the answer is 900.4. That means 9900.4. Now there is no need of these zeros. Okay, so this is the multiplication of decimal with the whole number and also decimal with the 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, this also we will discuss in the Zoom class. Everyone please join the Zoom class. Okay, I can explain it more. So thank you my dear students.